Hi everybody and welcome to this video on compound interest. In this video, we're going to have a look at how to convert a nominal interest rate to an effective interest rate. So a nominal interest rate is when the rate does not match the compounding period. For example, per annum compounded monthly does not match and an effective rate does. So why do we want to convert it to an effective annual rate is so that we can compare interest rates. It's very difficult for us to say which is the better interest rate. When it's stated as a nominal interest rate, it's easier for us to calculate the effective interest rate, the annual interest rate equivalent to that interest rate compounded at that time. So let us have a look at some examples. So we're going to use this formula, y is equal to I, 1 is plus I m over m, the power of m is equal to 1 plus I effective. So we're going to calculate the effective interest rate of the following. The first is 12% compounded monthly. So here we have that the nominal interest rate is I12 and it's 12% per annum. So we have 1 plus I m over m. Well, in this case, we're working with I12, so let's actually fill that in. 1 minus 1 plus I12 over 12 to the power of 12 is equal to 1 plus I effective, the effective rate. So we have 1 plus 0.12 over 12 to the power of 12 is equal to 1 plus I effective. And then typing that into our calculator and solving for the effective rate, we get that it is equal to the interest rate, the effective interest rate is 0.1268253, which if we want to write it, it can write as 12.68 to 2 decimal places. Let's have a look at the next one. The next one is 12% compounded quarterly. Okay, so again, this time we have I4 is equal to 12%. So we have the formula 1 plus I4 over 4 minus, is equal to 1 plus to the power of 4 is equal to 1 plus I effective. And then we're going to substitute 1 plus 0.12 over 4 to the power of 4 is equal to 1 plus I effective. And then typing that into our calculator and solving for I effective, we get that, well, this side here is equal to 1,12550,881 is equal to 1 plus I effective. Minusing 1 on both sides, we get that 550,881 is equal to our I effective. So our effective interest rate that's equivalent to 12% per annum compounded quarterly is 12.55%. Okay, let's look at the next one. 10% per annum compounded semi-annually. So our semi-annually is twice a year. So we have I2 is 10% per annum. So we have 1 plus I2 over 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 1 plus I effective. So this here is 1 plus 0.1 over 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 1 plus I effective. Again, typing that into our calculator, we get that 1,1025 is equal to 1 plus I effective. And solving for the effective rate, we get the I by subtracting 1 on each side, we get 0.1025, which is, if we're writing it as an interest rate, 10.25%. We multiply by 100 if we like to put the percent side. Okay, so let's do the last one. 10% per annum compounded bi-monthly. Okay, I'm going to remove this one. Okay, let's remove this. So we have I6 is 10%. So we have 1 plus I6 over 6 to the power of 6 is equal to 1 plus I effective. So we have 1 plus 0.1 over 6 to the power of 6 is equal to 1 plus I effective. Typing that into our calculator, 1 plus 0.1 over 6 to the power of 6 is equal to 1,10426, and that's 1 plus I effective. And finally, subtracting 1 on both sides, we get that the effective interest rate is 0,10426. Rounded off to 2 decimal places, and written in percentage form, it's 10.43. Okay, I hope that you have understood this video on how to convert an effective interest, a nominal interest rate to an effective interest rate. Please watch our other videos for more information. Thank you for watching. Bye.